You know if you're wise for Lagos, you know if you're wise for anywhere. You understand? Few keys. Badu.
Hey guys, it's ememakeabasiandy back again. So we're just going to go right into the video. So before I started doing my nails, I made sure I cut my nails. So these are freshly manicured nails, and the nails I'll be using came from this kiss set I got from Walmart for 28 Canadian dollars. I'm going to put a picture on the left side of the screen so that you guys can see. I was so excited and I took out the packaging already. So that's what it looks like. It comes with natural and French nails, 20 natural, 20 French, and it also comes with this cuticle stick that I'm going to use to push back my cuticles because it's an essential tip basically. Anywho, you want to do this step very carefully because you don't want to hurt yourself. My G, I beg you, do it carefully. There's some people that don't really need to do it as much. Someone like me, I didn't really need to do like deep, but just, you know, push the cuticles back. And after that, you have to prep your nails, you know, for the artificial nails. That's like filing the top to like remove the shine. I'm going to show you guys how, like, because I didn't use like the manual nail file. I used like some Kiss product file thing I got from Walmart as well. I can't remember the price. If I do, I'll put it in the description box below. All those things you just saw me get out from that purse. A friend lent it to me because she's more into like this nail thing more than I am. I got like this Kiss nail set like 2 years ago, never opened it. It was just like this day I was literally opening it. And the nail color I'm going to be using is from China Glaze, and it's called something Marigold. It was for $7.97, meaning $7.97. And I should say it's not really expensive, I guess. So yeah, what I just showed you now is the acrylic powder brush. That's from the set with the acrylic powder and the acrylic liquid. That's what we're going to use to, you know, put the acrylic on the nail. So because I told you, like, the glue dried up, like, because I don't know why, because I've never opened it, I've never used it, I had to switch to super glue. I just got this. You can get this from dollar store. People that are in Canada, you can get it from Dollarama. You can get it from your convenience store. And don't be scared that, oh, I'm putting super glue. It's not bad. And yeah, so I'm just going to file the top of my nails to get rid of the shine on my nails and, you know, do. You guys can use the like regular nail file, please. I'm just very extra and I decided to do this instead. But if you have this system thing, this filing thing that I have, you can also use this. You can use that mount I'm using. You can use, well, you can't use any, but you can just use that one because, you know, it did the job. So you just want to get it like rough-ish, like not rough, but like, you know, I think tacky is what they call it. You see me trying to struggle with this stupid ass glue because it did not just work for the life of me. I had to go downstairs because I have a convenience in my apartment building. I had to go downstairs to get like super glue. It was very expensive. It was like double the price of of the one in Dollarama. You guys should just disregard the pieces of like food and drinks you're going to be seeing in this video. So because I got hungry, this thing took me hours, and I was able to put it all down to 10 minutes. Anyway, you see me putting the super glue. You don't put it on the whole nail. You just put it because like it's half tip. It's not a full cover nail. And before I continue, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification thingy. Like this video for sure, comment on this video as well, click the bell so that whenever I upload you get it, you know what I'm saying. Anyway, so yeah, you don't put it like on the whole nail. You just want to put it on the tip, which you're supposed to attach to the tip of your own fake nails. You have to also go through the sizes to see which one fits your nails and stuff like that. I already did that before this video, so that's why I arranged it. I'm just speaking it out, and you don't see in this video me like checking the sizing and whatnot. So yeah, so make sure you're not putting the whole super glue on the whole nail. There's like, you see a line that you're supposed to put the glue. That's what you're going to do. And then I just did that for the whole nail, you know, done all of that, showing you my claws. Some people like to leave it like this. Please, I need to do things around. I there's some stuff that I can't even just do with this nail. So I just took a regular nail cutter, man, and cut it. Like, I think I went down like 3 times. Whatever size you want, my G, do whatever you want. If you want it as long as that, you can do that. If you want to reduce it just a little tiny bit, you can do that as well. And then because in this video I'm going to be doing coffin nails. So how I did that was I cut the side of the nails. I didn't. The thing is, the trick to it is the more you go to the middle, the slimmer it is. So if you want like a stiletto kind of nails, you would cut from the middle, but I cut from the side. I don't know if you guys understand what I'm saying, but I'm going to show in this video. I cut from like each side, but just like a little piece, and then I would file it down to like give me that coffin shape. In case you guys don't understand what I'm saying, I'm going to leave the video that I actually watched to get the coffin shape thing. It's like a 4-minute video for like all nail this thing. I'm going to leave it in the description box, like a YouTuber I just watched. So yeah, so you can do that because once you watch it, it's pretty easy, but I'm going to show you using my thumb. So I just cut like a small piece on that side, and then on the other side I do the same thing, and then I file it. And the thing is, the more you file, if you keep filing and filing, the thing will get slimmer. So and if you want like coffin nails, but if you want to like, you know, kind of slim, you can just do the technique and then just keep filing and just keep filing and just keep filing until you get your shape. You need to take your time with this. You just can't do something haphazard. Whatever you want, you do, man. But you just shall know you have that when you want to do these nails, you're going to have to wait. Like, you have to be patient because it would take a while. Anyway, so I'm just going to file. Maybe I should just put in some music while you guys are watching me file my nails. Okay.
It's Real Beats.
It's not you that I do this for. No. Sorry, be about it. I'ma get my meal.
Okay guys, so for this step I kind of wanted to blend the artificial nails with my real nails, and so I took like this very tiny this thing. Again, you can also use the manual nail file to do this. It's just to kind of blend. You won't get it like perfectly. I think maybe you would, but for me, I didn't get it like fully blended. That's where the acrylic powder comes into play. But you want to kind of like put it down a little bit, because at first it's very noticeable that you know, you have, so you just want to like file it down a little bit, pretty much. And so that's what it looks like. It looks clean because I went to wash my nails with water and like just hand soap, and I switched from using my camera to using my phone because I felt like it wasn't showing you guys what I wanted to show you, and plus it just looked clearer. So now we're going to go over to the acrylic. I'm going to pour the acrylic liquid into that space, into that like whole thing there. Yeah, you can use any container you have, but I didn't have any. So basically the trick to this, well, I can't be saying the trick, it's not like I've mastered it. This is my first time doing it anyway. So you dip the brush into the liquid, you take off the excess, and then you place the brush into the acrylic powder to form a bubble, and then you go as well to like pat on your nails. You would see what I'm doing. It's kind of like, you don't want it to be too thick, you don't want the mixture to be too liquid as well. There's a time that I got it too liquid, which is not acceptable, but please pardon me, it's my first time. And plus, I think in my next video I'm going to be bringing like an easier version of how to do this kind of nail thing, like without going through all this stress. Because I mean, some people, when they hear DIY, they're not supposed to be stressing. And anyway, some glue got stuck, not glue, the acrylic thing got stuck, so I just like use this critical stick to like take it out. So this is after I have applied the acrylic powder. I just used that file thing to kind of blend it, and now we're going to apply the base coat. You need to apply one thin layer, then you cure it. That's like drying your hand under the UV lamp. Then you place your nail color, you cure it again for like 30-60 seconds, and then you put a second coat of the nail polish, and you cure it and then put the top coat. So basically base coat for 60 seconds, top first coat of nail color 60 seconds, like that, and then you let it dry, put the second coat, then you let it dry, and then you put the top coat. So that's pretty much what I'm doing here, and I'm munching on muffins. So yeah, so that's just the procedure you need to do. This is just me applying the nail polish and, you know, trying to be careful because man, I made some mistakes in the sense that like I moved my hand too much, so like sometimes there's a part that it cleaned off, I had to reapply, all of that. Like I said, it's not easy, so you have to create time when you want to do this kind of thing, because you know when you go to the salon it's much more easier because you're just standing. Well, this is the finished look, guys. So this is how everything came out after everything. Shaku now, let's go. Oh, I didn't shackle. Anyway, see you guys in my next video. Bye.